out of the car. Ooh. What's gonna happen here? Are we gonna get super agitated and break mirrors? Please don't. It's normal in Italy.
Ça va mal tourner cette histoire.
All right, so let's get to the main point of this. The main point of this one isn't the after, okay? So everyone likes to focus on the agitation afterwards. Everyone likes to focus on, you know, the problems that are caused after people made massive reactions. When there's the first action, that is what I want to talk about, not the reactions to the first action. We're on the road, we're riding around, and we're with our buddies. 82 Tony PR, just want to say thank you. Woo! So we got multiple camera views. So right here we have somebody wanting to take the lane that's coming up. Okay. We only got one lane up there. You see the black car right there. So we only have this lane and then we have this lane. 2 lanes, okay? So we should not be, you know, the guy should not be taking our lane. Well, as soon as you see that, we got 360-degree situation awareness. I think my voice just cracked. I'm going through puberty. As soon as you see that, because that's what the rider saw, instead of I'm going to fight for my lane, it's going to be roll off the throttle, let them in. It's weird, huh? It's as simple as that. Now, this driver, we have no clue who this person is. We have no clue what they're going through. We have no clue why they chose to do it. And who knows? Let's just say this driver's like, haha, screw those motorcyclists. I got in. Yes. Imagine if that was the highlight of your day. Pretty sad life. So at the end of the day, we're on motorcycles. It's already a better day than this guy. So how about we just roll off the throttle, let this guy have his win for the day, because we know that's probably all he's going to have. Then we just go on with ours. Why can't we just do that? I don't understand it. Now, maybe you're having a terrible day and you need this win. This is a bad one. Don't try for this. Have a win somewhere else. After this person takes your spot, have a different win somewhere else. Have a good time with your buddies. Have the Cardo Pack Talk. You know, up there, it says Cardo right there. Use the link in the description for a discount. It's automatically applied if you click that link and you go to checkout. Anyways, got to pay the bills. I would not worry too much about this. Let this person in, because at the end of the day, I don't want this person to hit this pole and get bounced here, and then boom, my buddy crashes into him. I don't want that either. But look how close we are. Woo! Angel, welcome. Look how close we are. Easily an impact. Now, if he gets ran over, I think we have other problems. So let's not even get ourselves close to that situation. So you're going to see him, this rider right here, try to protect his lane by pushing that car driver out. It never works. It never works. Doesn't work. So this next part is a non-issue. I wouldn't even worry about it. Don't keep going. Just let them go. You don't need to find out why they did it. Once again, just go through your own mental process. You can say whatever you want to say in your own helmet and say, you know what? This guy just needed that win. I'll give it to him. All right? Just leave it alone.